Do you remember that moment when Kevin's mom realized that they forgot Kevin? It was like, so I had the same moment maybe 2-3 years ago. No, that time I didn't forget my child, but it was something also important. So what happened, the whole week was very stressful for me. I was working a lot, and then I would come home after work, and then I would still need to prepare the car for the camping and all our things, yeah. And then that moment came that we have to go, and we started to go to travel. Rokas was driving, and in one moment it just crossed my mind, oh my god, I forgot my passport. And then I looked at Rokas, I didn't say anything. I was thinking, oh my god, now I have to tell him that I forgot my passport and we will have to go back. And then I told him, Rokas, I have to tell you something, I forgot my passport. And he was like, no, you didn't, you just check here in the car, I'm sure that you just forgot that you put it there. And I told him, no, I know where my passport is, and I didn't even go in that part of the house. And my passport was in the shelf with my books, and in the front of the shelves were some things for the house renovation, because Rokas was doing the renovation of one room. So I didn't even go, really, not even close to that place. And then I told him all of that, and we have to go back. We really had to go back because I forgot my passport. Since then, I think like this. Okay, there are just like few things that I really have to take with me. That's like on that last moment check, and everything else I can buy. So yes, you have to you have to bring your children, yeah. But what are the other things? So if you have some condition or some illness, you have to get your insulin, your some special medicine, tablets, whatever. That's like one of the basics, yeah. So remember, take your medicine. Then second thing, passport or some kind of identification cards, whatever it is in your country. Take it, you will need it, yeah. You have to take it. Remember, passports. And then money. So money in cash, money in credit cards, debit cards, whatever. And like I said, just take these three things. Everything else you can buy. Please don't be like me. Don't get so stressed that you forget one of these basic things. Take your passport with you.